Running a store? Facing email deliverability issues? Meet WarmupIP, your go-to solution for boosting email reputation. Here's how we do it. With our extensive 100,000-plus seed list from ISPs like Gmail, Yahoo, and Outlook, we ensure your emails hit the inbox. Just add your sending server or domain to WarmupIP. Our team will open, click, scroll, and reply to simulate genuine engagement. In just 1 to 4 weeks, see unprecedented growth of 20 to 30% in your Shopify store's sales. Meet Alex, a prominent Shopify store owner. He faces a challenge sending email campaigns to 200,000 recipients thrice a week. Unfortunately, his list contained many invalid, bounced, and disabled addresses, which hurt his Klaviyo account's reputation. That's when WarmupIP stepped in. Our process involved using our extensive 100,000-plus seed list to interact authentically with his emails, rebuilding the domain reputation. As a result, 99.99% of Alex's campaign emails now land in inboxes, and his sales have increased by 22%.